Has your Infinix 8 turned into a turtle? Does even the keyboard freeze and pop feel more like a slideshow than a game? Don't rush to a repair shop just yet. I have 5 proven tricks that can actually reduce lag and make your phone run much smoother. Let's go. The first method is simple, but it works. Just restart your phone. Yep, seriously. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. This clears the RAM and stops background processes that may be slowing your device down. It's free, fast, and effective. Method number 2. Clean up the junk. Your Infinix has a built-in app called Phone Master. Open it, tap, clean up, and remove the cache files. You might be surprised by how many gigabytes of unnecessary data have accumulated there. Less junk means better performance. Method number 3. Get rid of app vampires. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Auto Launch. Turn off automatic startup for apps you don't use every hour. Games, shopping apps, delivery services. Let them sleep until you actually need them. Your battery will last longer, and your phone will run more smoothly. Method number 4. The lag killer for gaming. Scroll through the settings and find Special Features, then Game Mode. Turn it on. This feature reduces distractions and gives more system resources to your game. And inside the game itself, don't be afraid to set graphics to low and frame rate to medium. The visuals may be simpler, but your gameplay will feel much smoother. And method number 5, for those who really want maximum performance. If your phone is still lagging after all of this, go to Settings and then Storage. You should keep at least 20% of your storage free. Otherwise, your phone can struggle to perform properly. Delete old videos, move photos to a memory card, or upload them to Google Photos. Give your device some room to breathe. Didn't help? Then your remaining options are a factory reset or a visit to a car care service center. But in most cases, these tips are enough to bring an Infinix 8 back to life. If your phone is running better now, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.